Which Emeril Lagasse air fryer is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the best fit for your cooking needs. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 options so you can make an informed decision. Product number 1, Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. First up is the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Priced at $158.40, this thing caught my eye because it's labeled a bestseller and has over 7,500 reviews with a solid 4.4-star rating. If you want a multifunction appliance that brings versatility to your kitchen, this is worth a serious look. This means you can air fry 3 pounds of chicken or even bake a 12-inch pizza, all while ensuring that everything is cooked evenly. The 60-minute timer and adjustable temperature range up to 450 degrees F let you perfect your dishes, whether you're toasting, broiling, or baking. Now here's the thing, some users complain that it's a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. But honestly, if you're after multiple cooking methods in one device, that extra space is a small price to pay. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an all-in-one solution that can tackle a variety of cooking tasks. But skip this one if you have limited counter space and prefer a more compact option. Now, if that bulkiness of the Cuisinart bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer. Next is the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo for $159.79. With 24 cooking functions and a 4.4-star rating based on over 17,200 reviews, this appliance is designed for serious home cooks. If you want a versatile air fryer that can handle everything from snacks to full meals, keep listening. This model has a large 26 QT capacity and features dual-speed fans that circulate superheated air for crispy results. You can toast bread, bake a whole chicken, or even cook multiple dishes simultaneously thanks to its dual zones. The automatic shutoff feature while toasting ensures you won't end up with burnt toast, which is a common frustration. However, a few customers mention that the French doors can be a bit tricky to open if you're not paying attention. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the accessibility of the spacious interior is worth it. This is ideal for you if you often host gatherings and need an appliance that can whip up large quantities. But if you're just cooking for 1 or 2, you might find it too much. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want quick, hassle-free cooking. Product number 3, Emeril Everyday 360 Stainless Steel Air Fryer. Coming in at $159.99, the Emeril Everyday 360 Stainless Steel Air Fryer is next on our list. With a 4.4-star rating from about 16,600 reviewers, this one caught my attention for its promise of 360 degrees quick cook technology. This air fryer boasts a generous capacity of 930 cubic inches and offers 13 cooking functions, from air frying to slow cooking. The 5 heating elements are designed to mimic commercial ovens, ensuring even cooking. Plus, it cooks up to 40% faster than regular ovens, which is perfect for busy weeknights. However, a common issue reported is that the placement of the accessories can limit the usable space. But honestly, if you're cooking regularly, the speed and versatility make this a worthwhile trade-off. This is perfect for you if you enjoy making meals quickly or if you have a small to medium family. But if you frequently cook large dishes, you might want to consider a larger model. Now, if you're looking for something that really maximizes cooking space and speed, the next one is a must-see. Product number 4, Emeril Dual Zone 360 Air Fryer Oven Combo. Next up is the Emeril Dual Zone 360 Air Fryer Oven Combo, priced at $285.82. With a 4.4-star rating and around 3,600 reviews, this one is a powerhouse for those who want to cook multiple dishes simultaneously. If you want to streamline your cooking process, this could be the one for you. This model features a 25 QT capacity along with dual temperature zones, allowing you to cook 2 different foods in different ways at the same time. The QuickSync technology ensures that everything finishes at the same time, which is a huge bonus for meal prep. Plus, it's designed to go from frozen to perfectly cooked in minutes, which can save you a lot of time. However, some users found it a bit on the pricier side compared to other models. But honestly, if you're regularly cooking for a family or hosting friends, the time and effort saved can definitely justify the cost. This is ideal for you if you often prepare large meals or want to simplify your cooking process. But if you prefer quick snacks for one, this might be more than you need. Now for the final option, if you're looking for something compact yet effective, you'll want to hear about this last one. Product number 5, Gourmet 4 QT Air Fryer. Finally, we have the Gourmet 4 QT Air Fryer, which is the most budget-friendly at just $58.99. It holds a solid 4.6-star rating from over 5,100 reviews. If you're looking for something compact that still gets the job done, this could be a great fit. With 12 one-touch preset functions, you can easily air fry, roast, bake, and even dehydrate food with ease. It's compact enough for small kitchens but still powerful enough to cook for two. However, some users noted that the size might be too small for larger families. But honestly, if it's just you or a partner, this is a fantastic space saver that doesn't compromise on performance. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss air fryer for quick meals. But skip this one if you need to cook for larger crowds regularly. So there you have it. Each of these air fryers has its own strengths and weaknesses, but they all offer something unique depending on your cooking needs. To wrap it up, we've covered some amazing options today. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is great for versatility. The Emeril Extra Large French Door model shines for larger meals. The Everyday 360 offers speed. The Dual Zone Combo excels at multitasking, and the Gourmet is perfect for compact spaces. No matter your situation, one of these air fryers will surely meet your needs.